Ready, steady, go! Let's make a snail. Take 4 colors of clay. Light pink, light red, white, and black. Let's start with a box. Take a piece of light pink clay and roll 1 big ball. Then roll it into a cylinder with your hands. Make a deepening with your finger. And bend it with your fingers. Make a mouth with a pencil. You've done it! The body is done. Next, make some bases for the eyes. Take a piece of light pink clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into cylinders with your fingers. And press them with your finger. Great job! The bases for the eyes are done. It's time to model a tongue. Take a piece of light red clay and roll 1 tiny ball. Then roll it into a cylinder with your fingers. And flatten it with your finger. Well done! The tongue is done. Let's model some eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. Hooray! The eyes are done. Let's model some pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 tiny balls. Hooray! The pupils are done. Model some cheeks. Take a piece of light pink clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into cylinders with your fingers. Hooray! The cheeks are done. Let's make a shell. Take a piece of light red clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Then roll it into a carrot shape with your hands. And wrap it with your fingers. Super! Come on! The shell is done. Great! You have 1 more snail in your collection. What about the next character? Thank you for modeling me. Let's take a picture of you and me and send it to all your friends.